Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a template in Notion in 2024. So today we're going to explore how to create a template in Notion. Of course, templates are a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, standardize processes, and even save time. So whether you're managing some projects, tracking habits, or even organizing your personal life, Notion templates can help you stay organized and productive. So let's dive into the steps to create a custom template in Notion and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open your Notion. So go and open a browser. Here I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. Go to this URL section. Basically, just type Notion. So as you can see, Notion like.com and hit the enter button, and this should take you into the home screen or main screen of Notion right away. So if you have an account, go to the top right corner, make sure to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, click on Get Notion for free, of course. To create a new account, you can use Google to get, so you don't have to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So let me just go here and show you as an example, Notion.com. Okay, so Notion.com. So if you click on login as example, if it's your first time, as you can see, they'll take you here, or as you can see, you can use Google, Apple, or SEO if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. As you can see, you can use both. So it seems like Notion added some AI tools, etc. Okay, so gets instant answer to your questions using information from across workspace. Okay, yeah, why not? Thank you. You can add content for your AI answers questions from content in your Notion workspace. Gets better responses by importing content from other tools. Okay, so thank you. So it seems like a good thing to add, of course. Yeah. So here you'll find yourself, as we said, in Notion. So let's just go back to home here, and you should find yourself here. So once you are here, once you open your Notion, it's time, as example, if you want to create a template, you can simply just go and navigate to, first of all, your workspace, if you're not there yet, and simply start creating, as example, a new page. So just go, or basically just go to this list panel as example, and here you can find templates. So view and clone templates into your workspace. So if you go here, as example, you can start, first of all, choosing a template to start from, as you can see in here. So if you go to-do list like templates, projects and tasks templates, and etc., a lot of things. So you can get, first of all, a template from Notion, as example. Sorry, I want to just delete this. I don't want to start a templates by this. But as you can see, so you can look for templates for work, school, maybe personal, depending on whatever you want. Maybe for docs. I don't know what you're trying to do exactly, or what you're trying to get a template for. And but as you can see, you can find here a lot of templates. As you can see, if you didn't like this templates, of course you can start from more. You can click here more templates, and you can simply start finding here a lot of other templates. So this is an example. If you wanna start using one of the Notion templates and start editing on it, as an example, instead of creating everything from the beginning, you can simply just choose a template and make a little bit of edits on it, so you can make it your own templates and Notion, and you can use it whenever you want. But as we said, we want to create templates on Notion and new templates maybe. So maybe you want to start from scratch. You don't want that exactly. So basically here, as I said, I'll just go again to templates here. Maybe I'll just go to this to-do list, and basically I'll click on template. And as you can see here, you can simply just go and create a new task to add it to your templates and etc. So I'll just go and click on here. As you can see, you can add templates for task. You can add a new templates, as example, a new one. As you can see, tasks, templates, depending on whatever you choose. So if you choose other like option, as I said, so personal example, I don't know, maybe blog post, and click on get templates as example for this blog post as an example. So this is going to be your template. Of course, you can basically just select everything and delete everything as example on this blog post, and simply start making your own template. You can even ask AI about something as example. So write about a blog post. So I want to remind as example. So remind maybe people about I don't know what exactly should I enter here, but maybe safety as an example or something like that, and simply hit the enter button, and AI will keep writing stuff for you as example. And yeah, you can simply just once you finish editing everything about your template. So basically, it's time once you open that and create like a new template for your own. Or as I said, you can start from scratch or from a template that they already give you, like this task, this a blog post or something like that. You can start designing your template layout however you want. You can start adding some databases and custom fields. You can use some template buttons if they have some. Style your templates and do everything that you want. So, for example, continue writing, maybe just add a little bit about it. So why not? As you can see, additional is important to keep in mind. That safety and etc. So I don't know. You can even add your own comments and etc. Of course, if you didn't like it, you can always go and click on try again. It will write everything over for you. So click here on done. And as an example, okay, you read it. Okay, this is a good template. As an example, I still did not add anything, by the way. So of course, for you, I'm not good at designing and etc. For you, you can do your own design. As I said, you can start like adding the databases first of all, like in designing your template layout however you want. You might start with the header followed by the table. As example, for maybe it's tasks, not in this blog. You can edit the footer. As example, you can do and add a lot of stuff if you want to. And as an example here, you'll be able to click at this top right corner. You'll be able to make a lot of things, like maybe you want to use a small text, full width, log page, table of contents. If you want to add, you can customize the page. As an example, sorry. You can customize the page. You can duplicate, move, delete, undo, view, edit history, import, export, open in a Windows app if you want to. You can even connect it to a lot of other stuff. And as you can see, a lot of things that you can use. You can even change the fonts as an example if you would like. As example, a lot of things that you can use or do as I said. So now if you go and click on share as an example, you'll be able to share it to specific people. And you can even, as example, invite only or anyone with link as Notion, or everyone in my Notion example will be able to use it, whatever you want. And of course, as you can see, you can if you share it, of course you can see what people saying about it before like saving it as a template. And yeah, now of course, make sure to go as example into the list panel, click on the three dots, click on add to favorites example, and you will find it saved here as a template for you, and you can use it whenever you want. So as example, I'll just go and delete this. And yeah, even as an example, if I go and close Notion, open it again, as an example here, I'll find it always there as a template. I can click on it and start from a new. Of course, I can just simply copy it and start from scratch and use it as a template, and that should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.